going on, guys? This is Smitty with the Pro Polishers Academy. This past week we had my guy Anthony De La Rosa from DLR Wash and Detail come in for our 4-day Pro Polish workshop. We covered everything from soft paint to tinted clear to heavy defects, and this guy knocked it out of the park. This is a hardcore dude, from Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu to jumping out of helicopters to being a certified BMW Master Tech by the age of 22. He takes everything that he does seriously, so we're humbled and honored to have him come in and train with us. He's still in the service for a few more years, but he said once he's finished, he's packing up and heading home to Houston, Texas to put his skill set to work. He said that one of the main reasons that he chose us for training was because when he first stopped by to inquire about training, I was so specific about learning the fundamentals. And he said that fundamentals are a part of life, and every single thing that he's ever been a part of all require you to understand the fundamentals. So definitely honored for him to come in and choose us, because we definitely go over the foundation before anything else. He said we didn't try to upsell him on any crazy ceramic coatings and learning how to apply this or apply that. It's just simply, let's fix the paint first and everything else will come second. If you're interested in starting a business in paint correction or taking your already established paint correction business to another level, we'd love to help you out with that and help you become more efficient at what you do. We focus on the fundamentals so that no matter how the industry shifts, no matter what new coating comes out, or whatever the case may be, the foundation will always be restoring the paint, and you will always know what to do. Give us a call at 910-759-3756, or you can shoot us a DM and we can get the conversation started there. All of our contact information is in the link in the bio. Can't wait to help you guys out. Peace.